Squeeze those glutes at the top. Very important to stabilize the spine. Curl and press. Excellent. Starting position. Feet hip width apart, toes pointed forward. Maintain a good posture by drawing your shoulders back, sucking your belly button in. From this position, we're going to curl the dumbbells up towards the shoulders, then press overhead towards the ceiling. Squeeze your glutes, keep your core tight, bring the dumbbells back down towards your shoulders and return them back to starting position. We'll perform a total of 15 reps this set. You ready? Let's go. Squeeze and press. Excellent. Focus on maintaining form and alignment. Squeeze and press. Excellent. Make sure you squeeze your glutes. Keep your core tight. Take your time. Focus on form and position. Press. Great job. Curl and press. Excellent. And press. Squeeze those glutes at the top. Very important to stabilize the spine. Curl and press. Excellent. Keep your core tight. And press. Excellent. Curl and press. We're almost there. Keep working with me. Curl and press. Great job. We have 5 more. Let's finish strong. That's 5. And 4. And 3. And 2. And last one. And press. Control it down. Great job.